We have found 3 eagles. So Dad is setting up the spot and scope because they are out there a ways and the kids are playing by the water. So that's awesome. It's freezing.
Mom. Yawn. Okay. Yeah. I'm awake. I'm awake. I'm awake. Whoa. Maybe not. But it's Saturday morning. Keep yawning. And the birdies are being annoying. Ooh! Be quiet. Be quiet. Okay, they're not gonna be quiet. But I have to pick out an outfit today because we're going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure. We're going on a little adventure. And I'm taking one of my friends with me. And you guys are coming with us too, so there's more friends. They literally don't squawk until I start talking. Do you guys need attention? Do you want the camera on you? Is that what's going on? Huh, buddy? Huh, Charlie? Look at them, they're adorable. They very much do not like me. Because they're like, you're not my mom, you're not Hallie or Maddie, I don't like you. What are you doing?
I got all the spot and scope and all the stuff ready to go spot some eagles.
Woohoo!
Smell this.
Yeah, so I didn't tell them where we were going, so where are we going?
What's wrong?
Black licorice.
Soft black licorice.
Ooh.
Dear black licorice, you are awesome.
I hate your stinking guts.
You are delicious.
Sorry.
I will eat you. Ziploc bag so it stays nice and soft. Oh, Mom? Yeah, I gotta brush my teeth after this, so that ought to be nice and gross looking when I brush my teeth after black licorice.
Green?
Yeah.
That's yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna do my hand. We're about to leave, and I've got some things that I can play with. So I got this like squishy snakey thingy. I got a squishy, a ball that's really squishy. I'm pretty sure I have everything. Food, chapstick, a book, and a little bag to hold them. We're here getting, Dad is going to get us Chinese, and then, so we're getting panda, and then we're going to eat our panda, and then walk around the mall for a little while maybe, and then go to either see eagles or to Hale Air Force Base. I can't talk. Sorry, I can't talk. Found some fishies.
There's albino ones in there. I think these are all trout, buddy. Wanna know what secret identity? So, we're done with the Chinese, we're done with the Disney store, and we gotta go, we're heading up to find the eagles. We've come up here a few other years, and we're not guaranteed to see any eagles. We've seen them every time. Sometimes they're just way the heck out there and hard to see, so. But we're off to see if we can see some eagles, and then we're going to another awesome place that we go every year. If you guys have been watching for us for a while, you'll know where that is.
We made it to our destination, and Maddie has spotted 2 bald eagles already.
Flying.
They were flying over our van.
We will find more. There's a lot more people out here this year than there has been.
Now I've
There's
seen
way
2
more
bald
people,
eagles
and
in
the
my
roads
whole
are
life.
bumpy.
And I'm holding you guys perfectly still. We have found 3 eagles. So Dad is setting up the spot and scope because they are out there a ways and the kids are playing by the water. So that's awesome. They're throwing rocks on the ice and trying to break it. I think it's pretty thick. Oh, I don't like no.
Stay off of the lake, please. Thank you.
He's venturing out on the frozen lake. Not a good idea. It's making Mom a little nervous.
Mom, I've got him in the thing. Oh, hey. Fuzzy. Let's see the get up here. Did they see your get up? Are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. I found him. Here, you want to look? Can you guys see? Can you guys see through here? I don't think you can. Maybe you can. Look, there's the eagle, guys. Do you see him? What? Bald eagle.
Whoa, they're huge.
I know, they're giant. Pelicans are big.
Don't poop on us.
What do you see, Mom?
I see pelicans.
More pelicans coming! Kids are down here on the ice.
I know, that's what I did too. You have to, like,
Checking out all the pelicans.
Four eagles? What?
There was 2 sitting and there was like 2 flying. It was like far away. I can tell they're eagles, but they are white and they are black and they had white spot.
Huh.
So I'm guessing they were eagles.
Rad.
You guys went to backwards. You guys went to see? You guys see? Hello. Whoa.
I see your eyeball.
Really far away.
It smells gross over there.
Does it? Okay, we're calling it because it is really frigid cold outside.
There's a ton of people down here looking at something. If it's different than the eagles we were looking at, we might stop for a second. I left the spot and scope out, but we shall see. Flipping around.
Dad spotted a bald eagle on our way out.
I did, he flew right there.
He's winning the game.
Wait, yeah. That's 3, I have 2.
Good job. We have made it to the Air Force Museum. See, look.
Aeroplanes.
Look, that is a big old airplane right there, and there's a big old airplane right there. Ooh, I like that one a lot. It's like a shark, kind of.
Shack.
Oh, they're so crazy cool. I want to go to there. Let's go look at those.
Okay. There's less snow than last time.
This is true. There was a lot more smoke. Smoke?
Smoke. Smoke my
Smoke.
smoke. Smoke my smoke.
Smoke. I found something that reminds me of my dad. If he was in the Air Force. It's a Hawaiian shirt. With planes on it. Oh my gosh. It's going up. That's crazy.
And then after a while, the bubbles come up and it boils. Whoa, it's like as big as me. Holy schnickerdoodles. To the frigid. Mama's gonna be cold. It's freezing.
Mom.
What?
What's that Disney cartoon where like the guy like plays his nose?
I have no idea.
What's that from?
I need my ear warmers and a bigger coat. It's cold outside. Plane, plane, plane. Jack. There's a good girl. Get your hood on. Get your ears warm. Oh, it's freezing. I can see my breath. But these planes are crazy cool. The fact that they get off the ground is amazing to me, actually. Holy monkeys. It is cold. My hands are freezing.
Still finding it. Still finding it.
She got teeny tiny balloons, so I tried my best to make these the same size. These are gonna be the cheeks, and then this, I'm gonna have to blow this up and make it the head, like about my size. And then the body thing. Just about that size.